Bossy, me have somebody me want to introduce you to.
Go ahead.
Hi, Barcy.
Well, hello.
Bossy Mary. Mary, Bossy.
I know I created her, Noah.
Bossy, me not lie. You take your time for no one, oh my God.
Noah, give her one of the VIP rooms on the ark.
You never tell me that, Bossy. Go and go collect your boarding pass. Hey, Bossy, you make this one your thick like a cornmeal porridge.
Well, I have a thing for Marys.
But I want you for me, though.
Come back here. Does your wife know about her?
No, Bossy. Me tell her, say, I'm my cousin.
Leave that one alone. Thou shalt not set a foot near her room on the ark.
Oh, Bossy, also like you want her for yourself.
Do not question me. One of my angels will be sent with a message for her.
Bossy, this no feel right.
You are dismissed.
So, Bossy, what make you can't give me matches figure?